everyone, Blake the SpongeBob fan here, and check this out. I got my VCR DVD combo, my Sanyo VCR DVD combo, hooked up to the Sylvania CRT TV. Well, I was originally gonna test out VHS tape in there, but it's not. But the VCR port doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. But I guess I'll have to use the VCR DVD combo. So, anyways, I got a VHS tape and DVD to test this thing out on the Sylvania CRT TV. So first, we're going to test out the VCR portion. VHS portion. I'm going to be testing out Dinosaur, for example, which is the only VHS tape I have with the THX Broadway logo. The print date is December 11th, 2000, even though this is a 2001 VHS. So anyways, here's the THX Broadway VHS logo, but on the Sylvania CRT TV. Alright, that was the THX Broadway VHS logo, but on the Sylvania CRT TV. Sorry about the coughing in the background. So that's it for the VHS. And now, for the DVD thing. And here's this nostalgic DVD screen that you might remember seeing. And it looks more nostalgic on the CRT TV. So we're going to be testing out DVD now. I'm going to be testing out the SpongeBob SquarePants movie, for example, because I love SpongeBob so much. And it does have the Paramount DVD logo on it. So here's the Paramount DVD logo, but on the Sylvania CRT TV from the Sanyo VCR DVD combo. It is 4.3 stretched, too. Alright, that was the Paramount DVD logo, but on the Sylvania CRT TV from the Sanyo VCR DVD combo. Alright. So anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed this testing video. If you did enjoy this testing video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and be sure to turn on notifications so you'll never miss out any videos on my channel. And I think I might be doing character watching THX Broadway VHS logos now that I have this hooked up to this Sylvania CRT TV. So stay tuned for that. So anyways, this is Blake the SpongeBob fan signing off. Bye!